In most of my videos in my channel, I've been a GNOME user. A lot of them were about GNOME, using GNOME, working on GNOME, and recently I switched to Hyperland setup and I've been there. I stopped distro hopping because Hyperland plus Arch is literally the best combination of Linux you can ever get. But still, it doesn't change the fact that Hyperland is still just a tiling window manager, while GNOME Desktop is a full-fledged operating system in itself with a really beautiful desktop. And that desktop has a new update, GNOME 49. Now, I've already reviewed this particular update already on my channel, but now we have more. And to be honest, I'm a little tempted by the new updates to switch back to GNOME Desktop from Hyperland, because these updates are actually awesome. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so here we are on my Arch plus Hyperland setup and we're gonna try it on GNOME boxes. Now, I already have downloaded my file. There we go, live. I downloaded it from my GNOME operating system website, okay? Here we are. And this is how it looks like. Now, the first and foremost change I've seen is the wallpaper. Some blocks here are blurred, Yep, that is indeed an update, a change. But that's not the main thing. You see, GNOME 49, this update is really awesome. And let me just start with the biggest update I've seen. So, let's say you're playing a song here. For example, well, I should play a non-copyright song. NCS. Let's go with this one. I don't know what this one is. Okay then, so here we are. And now when we lock the screen, actually lock the screen, you can see the music playing as a widget here. And even if it's locked, it's gonna go on playing. Yep. And this is really nice. As you can see, the overall blurred theme with all the things and settings with our song playing. It's really nice. Yep, it is indeed. Let's get back to the desktop and stop playing because we have a lot of other updates as well. Now, when you go to the lock screen, you have this do not disturb here. Now, earlier we had this on our notification center. It was a one-stop destination. Just turn it off from here and you will stop getting alerts. But now it is here. To be honest, this is a better thing. Like on Android, on Windows, on macOS, we've seen it always in the quick menu. So yep, it is pretty nice and you get this really nice icon in GNOME Shell as well. I like it. And that's not it. Now you have multi-monitor brightness support, like you can change brightness of multiple monitors separately. Earlier, you just only had one slider, but now you have all of them. Well, I cannot show you that because I don't have monitors and I'm on a virtual machine. But leaving that, one of the best updates and the best things I like about GNOME operating system is the consistency of design and theme throughout all the applications. For example, one of the best calendar applications in the world. Yes, you heard that right. I consider it one of the best in the world for obvious reasons. You see, the design and everything, it is just so damn good. Really good and nice. Now, let's say we have another application, for example, GNOME software. It has the same design. Let's say I open this weird application, Widget demo. You see, the overall application, the theme, the design, language, it's just so same. And that same applies to even the file manager and all the GNOME applications. Even a text editor. Really, very nice. And now this has been updated even better. And now we have some application updates as well. For example, now in terms of video player, now we have Showtime instead of the previous one, which was Totem, I believe. Now it's gonna write and say video player, but in reality it is Showcase. The name has just been replaced with the newer technology of GDK4. And that same applies to a document editor. As we can see here, now it is Papers. Yep. Earlier we had Evince, but Paper is newer, better, and just more refreshing. And now when you connect phones or ISOs or anything, it's gonna be better and more consistent. Earlier, I also had issues with my Nothing Phone 3A connected to Nautilus, but now I don't. And not just that, let me just show you in my own, main desktop, okay? So as you can see, I mostly use Yati. It is one of the best file managers I've ever used, really best. But in terms of heavy lifting, I always use Nautilus. And it just works flawlessly. I love it. Let me just hide the usual bad stuff and still I have so many things there. But leaving that, the overall design consistency, you can see it is beautiful, isn't it? Whatever I'm doing, I can easily do it. And I have a lot of things here and there, important ones maybe. Don't look at that. But that's not the main thing. I can directly access my Windows partition. Let me just show you. I have Windows partition here on my disk. You see this one? This is now mounted at Win. And I've directly made a shortcut of my Legend user in my Windows system. And I can directly access all the things there were in that operating system without any problem. Like it's just plug and play. So yep, GNOME applications and the overall desktop is really improving. Not just that. You see, there's one thing I like to show you. Epiphany, aka GNOME web browser. This is one of the most minimal, sleekest and the best web browsers out there, specially designed for the GNOME desktop and Linux desktop. We have the latest 49th version and now things are getting better, as you can see here. Now, when you go to preference, you have block advertisement and block pop-ups. Now it blocks ads really well without messing up with the native website. Like sometimes web ad blockers mess up the content you see on the browser, but GNOME Web is just doing such a great job and it's undetectable most of the time. Well, like overall, it feels pretty nice to use it. The GNOME desktop. It is just so clean, minimal, elegant. I don't know what else to say. And if you want to level it up, you can just easily go and install Extension Manager. Oh, wrong spelling. Extension Manager. This one. But downloading it will take a long time, but still. You can use Blur My Shell, change the dash to dock or panel, or well, I just like the vanilla GNOME desktop experience. Just awesome and beautiful. And yep, the overall consistency, design and stability is just unmatched till now. And yep, we have a dark mode which works really well across all the systems. Like, let me just show you. This is an application. There you go. And yeah, that reminds me, let's explore the wallpapers, shall we? Yep, there has to be newer wallpapers in the GNOME desktop. Every time they rock with the wallpapers. Yep, we have a few new ones. Let's try the old, awesome and beautiful yellow one, okay? Just like always, very clean. Now, let's try the dark mode, the real beauty. This one. Just take a look at this wallpaper. It is just so damn gold. But we have some newer ones as well. Okay, I believe this is inspired from Nothing's wallpaper. I have literally a really similar one on my mobile. But yep, it's nice. And then we have this weird wallpaper. I don't know if it looks good. Okay, it does look good. It has a really sleek texture along all the gradient shades. And we have a light one as well, which actually is piercing my eyes with knives. And then we have this one. Okay, this is actually nice, like really nice. Let's try the dark mode. Yep, it reduces a lot of things and it actually looks damn good. Yep, I believe that's it. And it looks really nice. Let me just stay with this one, okay, for right now. Maybe the dark one. Oh man, this looks good. But let me just grab, a screenshot of the lock screen to place on the thumbnail. Or maybe this one. Yep, just like this, it looks really good. But I'm gonna go and play a video in Firefox and, let me just play that one again. 99 God. Okay then. Now let's do the lock screen. Windows L. Oh man, this looks damn good. This is definitely gonna be my thumbnail. But there's one thing missing. My profile picture. It should be good. Better. Let's change that, okay? Now I know I should end the video now, but still, what's wrong with hanging a little longer? So where should we go? Maybe privacy, security, accounts. We have the screen lock. Let's see. Online accounts maybe. No. User. Okay, there we go. So maybe this one or this one. I'm gonna go with this one. It looks good. Really good. Now let's do it again. Oh man, this looks good. But the song isn't that good. Let me just play a really nice one. I have a really nice song from AP Dillon and Anup Jain. One of the best. There we go. Now let's lock the screen. Okay, this is really nice. This is my thumbnail. This one. just like this. Really awesome. And then this. Okay, GNOME Desktop is getting better and better and better. Now I'm just gonna go edit the video while listening to this song, Afsos. And yep, I believe that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video and let me know in the comments what do you think about it. Shall I try it on, like, the time when GNOME 49 releases, I should change my desktop. Like right now, I'm on a really nice and amazing Hyperland setup. It works flawlessly, like really nice. And I have all the stuff I ever gonna need. But still, like, the simplicity of GNOME Desktop actually feels good. But I like it here, the themes and everything in Hyperland. Well, we'll see. Let me know in the comments what do you think about it. And yep, we'll meet, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, I'm signing out.